Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Clinton Township, especially in a community where families value comfort, safety, and peace of mind. While alarms and cameras play an important role, one of the most overlooked security upgrades is replacing old, outdated windows. Modern replacement windows are designed not just for energy efficiency and style, but also to significantly strengthen your home's defenses. Here's how replacement windows can make your Clinton Township home safer and more secure. Stronger materials that resist forced entry. Older windows, especially those installed decades ago, often use thin frames and single-pane glass that can be easily broken or pried open. Replacement windows are built with advanced materials such as reinforced vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. These materials are far more resistant to warping, cracking, and impact. Modern window frames are engineered to hold their shape even under pressure, making it much harder for intruders to force them open. For homeowners in Clinton Township, this added durability provides an important layer of everyday protection. Impact-resistant and double-pane glass. One of the biggest security upgrades with replacement windows is the glass itself. Today's windows often feature double-pane or laminated glass designs. Instead of shattering into sharp pieces, laminated glass holds together even when struck, similar to a car windshield. This means that even if someone attempts to break the window, it takes significantly more time and effort, often enough to deter the attempt altogether. Double-pane construction also reduces outside noise, helping your home stay quieter while making suspicious activity easier to notice. Advanced locking systems. Many older windows rely on basic latch mechanisms that are easy to manipulate. Replacement windows come with modern multi-point locking systems that secure the sash at several points along the frame. This makes it extremely difficult to pry the window open from the outside. Some replacement windows also include tamper-resistant locks and reinforced meeting rails, giving homeowners in Clinton Township confidence that their windows are properly secured whether they're home or away. Tighter seals and improved fit. Gaps, loose frames, and worn-out seals don't just affect energy efficiency, they also compromise security. Replacement windows are custom-fit to your home's exact openings, eliminating weak spots that intruders could exploit. A snug, airtight fit means windows can't be easily jiggled open, and it also prevents damage caused by moisture and temperature changes over time. The result is a window that stays strong, stable, and secure for years. Improved visibility without sacrificing privacy. Security isn't just about keeping intruders out, it's also about awareness. Replacement windows can be designed with clear, high-quality glass that improves visibility around your property. This allows homeowners to easily see what's happening outside without opening the window. At the same time, options like frosted glass, tinted panes, or privacy coatings help protect areas such as bathrooms or ground-level rooms without compromising safety. Increased curb appeal that discourages crime. Well-maintained homes are less likely to be targeted. New replacement windows instantly improve curb appeal, signaling that the property is cared for and updated. This visual upgrade alone can discourage potential intruders who often look for homes that appear neglected or vulnerable. In Clinton Township, where neighborhoods take pride in their appearance, replacement windows help your home blend in while quietly standing out as secure and well protected. Peace of mind for Clinton Township homeowners. Replacing your windows is about more than aesthetics or energy savings. It's about protecting what matters most. With stronger frames, impact-resistant glass, modern locks, and precise installation, replacement windows create a safer living environment for your family. For homeowners in Clinton Township, upgrading to replacement windows is a smart, long-term investment in both home security and peace of mind.